Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. My name is Athena Wisrinadi 2502010029 and I am a student from University of Kalimantan Muhammad Asyik Ulum Jadi Banjarmasin. I am recording this video because I want to tell about synopsis and review for assignment subject extensive listening. Okay, the first material is about Toy Story. Toy Story is about a Woody, a cowboy doll, who is his older Andy favorite toy, and his life changes when Andy gets a cool new toy, Buzz Lightyear. Woody gets jealous, and after a big argument, both toys accidentally get lost in a real world. To get back home safely, these two rivals must part away their egos and work together. Okay, for the moral values, teamwork over jealousy, it teaches us about cooperation is better than competition. When we accept our differences, enemies can become best friends. And acceptance about Buzz learned that he is just a toy, not a real astronaut. But he realized that being loved by a child is just as important. Okay, for the second material is about Finding Nemo. The synopsis Finding Nemo is about follow Marlin, an overprotective clownfish dad, and his son Nemo. Because Nemo has a small fin, Marlin is always afraid for his safety. And one day Nemo rebels, swim too far, and get captured by a human diver. Marlin must face his fears and cross the dangerous ocean to save his son with help of a forgetful but friendly fish named Dory. Okay, for the moral value is about perseverance. As Dory famously said, just keep swimming, never give up, no matter how life gets. And the second moral is about trust and letting go. Love doesn't mean controlling someone. Parents must trust their children and let them grow up, even if it's mean taking risks. I think that's all for my videos. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Goodbye.